Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Ortho Max Bed Bug and Flea Killer Powder. The active ingredient is deltamethrin, which destroys the eggs and larvae as well. Because the formula is non-staining, there is no risk of causing damage to carpets or other fabrics. Another advantage is that it is odorless, which eliminates the unpleasant pesticide odor that some poisons have. Ortho Home Defense Max Bed Bug and Flea Killer Powder kills by contact and provides long-lasting control, killing bed bugs and fleas in the difficult-to-spray places where they like to hide. Provides up to 8 months of control for bed bugs, fleas, ants, silverfish, carpet beetles, centipedes, cockroaches, scorpions, spiders, and other listed bugs. Use in tough-to-reach areas where bed bugs or fleas like to travel and hide, including cracks and crevices in bed frames, wall moldings, in closets, and under cupboards. To avoid staining, do not use on carpets or fabrics. Evenly apply the bed bug powder with a hand duster or squeeze it directly from the bottle to apply in cracks and crevices. For best results, apply lightly and uniformly to infested areas. Number 2 in this best bed bug killer powder list is Harris Bed Bug Killer. This Harris product is a very comprehensive and thorough treatment. A handy little applicator aids in getting the powder into difficult to reach areas. There is no need to mix and wait, simply use right away. It is fast-acting, which means that insects that come into contact with it will die within 48 hours. Bed bugs die for weeks after the initial application because the powder has a long residual effect. The product is both EPA registered and listed, as well as OMRI listed. The powder has also been registered with the Environmental Protection Agency, making it safe to use around people and pets. This product is a ready-to-use powder which provides effective pest control against crawling insects. Diatomaceous earth works as a mechanical insect killer that cuts the exoskeleton of insects, leading to dehydration and death. Insects cannot become immune to its action, and those that come in contact or ingest this powder and die within 48 hours. Continues to kill bed bugs for weeks after application as long as it's kept dry. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Bill Robinson. I'm here to talk about diatomaceous earth. Harris has several products using diatomaceous earth for killing bed bugs. I'm going to review with you how to best use the powder, including key areas for application, safety tips, and using the product with other common types of bed bug killers. Make sure to always read the label and follow directions. Before using this powder or any insecticide for bed bugs, you need to remove clutter from the area, wash and dry bed linens and any furniture covers. Next, remove the box spring and mattress from the bed and vacuum thoroughly. For more on these steps, see our video showing steps to eliminate bed bugs. Now let's focus on how to apply diatomaceous earth. If you're using liquid spray as a part of your treatment, which I would recommend, you'll want to make sure you apply this powder after the liquid has been sprayed and has had a chance to fully dry. The powder must remain dry to be effective. Diatomaceous earth is a natural product. It's a desiccant. It kills bed bugs by breaking down the outer skin of the bed bug and causing dehydration. This powder has a mechanical action as opposed to a chemical reaction, meaning that the bed bugs die after they contact the powder rather than ingest it. The powder takes up to 72 hours to kill a bed bug after initial contact, so be patient and know that diatomaceous earth is not an immediate kill. When applying, coat a thin layer of powder in areas such as mattresses, baseboards, and behind electrical outlets. For a full list of approved areas for application, see the product label. Again, make sure you're not over-applying. A light dusting is all that is needed to kill bed bugs. Harris Diatomaceous Earth Bed Bug Killer comes in 3 sizes: an 8-ounce puffer bottle, a 2-pound bag, and a 4-pound bag. The 2 and 4-pound sizes include a powder duster, which provides a few benefits over the 8-ounce puffer bottle when applying. The puffer with extension nozzle allows you to go deep into cracks and crevices and wall voids, We also find this device to work great when it comes to getting a light dusting to cover a large area. Finally, I'll finish with the most commonly asked questions we get about this product. First, is this product effective against resistant bedbugs? Yes, diatomaceous earth, as mentioned earlier, works through mechanical action and will kill bedbugs that have built up resistance to a traditional pyrethroid insecticide. Second, how long does it take to kill bedbugs? The powder can take up to 72 hours to kill bedbugs after initial contact, but it may work sooner than that. Just be patient here, as it may take time for the bugs to make initial contact with the powder you've spread. Third question is, how long is the residual and is reapplication necessary? Diatomaceous earth will remain effective indefinitely as long as it's kept dry. There's no need for a reapplication.
Our third pick is Delta Dust Multi-Use Pest Control. This potent powder is made from deltamethrin, which is a synthetic version of pyrerin. The powder claims to kill all bed bugs within a week of being applied for the first time. It has the advantage of killing a wide range of crawling insects such as wasps, cockroaches, spiders, and fleas. Because of its size, this value container can cover a large area of 2,000 square feet. You'll be able to easily administer multiple applications in all areas where you suspect bed bugs are present. Delta Dust is a 100% waterproof dust and will not clump or absorb moisture in wet areas. It is approved for use in commercial food handling establishments, making it an ideal tool for eliminating pests in wet areas of these accounts. Delta Dust is also labeled for application directly into drains that lead to sewers, a common place to find cockroaches, pharid flies, and other pests. Fourth pick in our best bed bug killer powder list is Rockwell City32 Dust Insecticide. This product is non-staining and odorless, so there will be no unpleasant odor after application. This powder also works faster than most powder brands, giving you faster results, which is a huge plus. Seam. SA is a synthetic drying agent that binds to the bed bug's outer layer of skin. For control of bed bugs, fleas, ticks, lice, roaches, ants, firebrats, silverfish, spiders, mites, and drywood termites. Kills bed bug adults. Nymphs and nymphs hatch from dusted eggs, including parathyroid-resistant bed bugs. Moisture is then absorbed from their bodies, resulting in death. This synthetic product has the added benefit of killing other household pests such as cockroaches, ants, silverfish, and drywood termites. Semexa insecticide dust is labeled for control of bedbugs, fleas, ticks, lice, roaches, ants, firebrats, silverfish, spiders, and mites. It may also be used for the prevention and treatment of drywood termites. The broad label allows the product to be used to treat cracks, crevices, voids, mattresses, carpets, pet rest areas, attics, and many other areas. The engineered silica-based dust has exceptional absorption of water and oil, destroying the insect's waxy cuticle, causing rapid dehydration and death. The standard usage rate is 2 Oz per 100 square. 4 ounces of Semexa insecticide dust inside of a larger bottle. This allows you to use the bottle as a puffer. Last in this list is Hotshot Bed Bug Killer. This powder's main ingredient is diatomaceous earth, which makes it an effective bed bug killer. Another plus is that it is non-staining and odorless. That means no noxious odors wherever the powder is used. This powder can also be used to kill other crawling insects, eliminating the need for multiple poisons for different pests. Hotshot Bed Bug Killer Dust with diatomaceous earth is designed for the treatment of bed bugs in homes. Dusted around bed frames, mattresses, and box springs, and within cracks and crevices in sleeping areas. You can also apply this non-staining, easy-to-use dust in wall voids, on carpet tack strips and along carpet edges. It also kills fleas, ants, cockroaches, silverfish, beetles, earwigs, millipedes, centipedes, crickets, slugs, and grasshoppers. To kill bed bugs, apply Hotshot Bed Bug Killer Dust with diatomaceous earth to the bed frame, mattress, and box spring. Treat seams, edges and tufts, creases, folds, indentations, buttons, and bent holes of mattresses and box springs only. Do not treat the entire surface. After 4 hours, vacuum the dust from the mattress, and also kills fleas, cockroaches, ants, earwigs, millipedes, centipedes, crickets, silverfish, and other crawling insects. For details, let's watch more.